right behind me is the Navajo Bridge, and then that's Arizona back there. And then if we pivot this way, we are on the Utah side. And so then if we look down, you will see the Colorado River. We were coming from Page, Arizona. And stopped here in Lees Ferry to look at the Navajo Bridge on our way to the north rim of the Grand Canyon. The Navajo Bridge that was built in the late 1920s. What is so significant about this bridge is that it was the first bridge to connect Utah and Arizona on the Colorado River. Some 600 miles down the river is the other connection. So connecting Utah and Arizona together from the Navajo Bridge was pretty important, especially for those that are living up here in northern Arizona. Definitely worth a stop to see this milestone. Just the magnificent feat of creating such a bridge to, be able to get across the mighty Colorado.